We all are unique. We all have our own method of living life. In stock market, there are many people who are successful and each of them have a unique style. When we want to learn stock market, we tend to pick up one person and just learn everything from that person, which actually could be a bad idea because the temperament of that person may not be compatible with your temperament. To solve this problem, what we have done is we have created a trading mentorship program with 4 mentors. Those 4 mentors have 4 different styles, 4 different strategies that helps you to learn what you should learn. Maybe after the end of the program, you are able to pick that one mentor, pick his style, and then build on to that style. If you want to become part of this amazing learning journey, Elearnmarkets Trading Mentorship Program is the program.